This is embarrassing and funny at the same time, but this is what it is. So anyway, this fog light got some moisture in it, but that's all right. I have a replacement under warranty. Yeah, this was somebody, I didn't even want to talk about that one. Because there was also somebody here. The same somebody. Also don't want to talk about this, or still don't want to talk about it. But another most embarrassing thing is my fault. Please learn from my mistakes. When I put this grille on this bumper after it got painted, I said, well, you know what? Everything is fine. You know, it clips in here and everything is fine. And I mean, that's how they are on the cars. But I haven't found anything that's supposed to go into this area underneath the bumper. And obviously that was an extra support, you know, here. You know, all this plastic, fender liners and everything, and the engine cover, splash shields, whatever, they all interlock. Anyway, so I thought to myself, I should put some silicone here, you know, on the point, just to hold it. And what did I do? Nothing. And my luck is that I lost it. It fell off the bumper at a traffic light as soon as I pulled off the highway. Let me fix this now and change this. Yeah, trying to remember which one I have to really take out. I need to take this apart. New one, old one. See the difference? Yeah, I bet you can. First I have to connect this to this, test it. This is not really necessarily. Remember, I didn't know if it was for daytime running lights or not, but there's just a second connection. So I thought about it and I said to myself, I mean, yeah, this is so nice that I got a free replacement on the warranty, but you know what? Labor is not warranted. So I'm gonna go ahead and just waterproof it. This part right here. Even though it's a rubber, what a grommet or whatever you call it in there, seal grommet, I would still do this. Now, just put it on top of a napkin like this, or cloth, and leave it until it dries. So now same thing. I'm looking for this wire. Here it is. I assume yellow is positive. So positive here. Red. So I think like this. Okay. Let's test it out. Everything works, so now I have to install the fixture back again on the inside and connect these wires. I think you've seen it previously how I did it, so there's no point for me to show you how to connect this all over again. This is the grille, this is the bumper. So let's glue this in. The fog light is in there, everything is insulated, everything is protected. Okay, now I have to put the clips on the bottom that I took out, and it's good to go. Lexus again. So this is original. Let me just put it back so you'll see what it looks like. So this is original fan, like a heater fan. It goes underneath the dashboard right here. It's extremely noisy. It feels like something is about to fall out of it. Because, you see, this fan, the bearing is not in its place. So this thing is between something $300 and $400 something. Now here's a trick. I found 2008 Lexus IS. I pulled this thing out. There's a couple of cars that I will work with. Removed this plastic piece, took this board out, put this board over here, screws back, now the cover is back. I think if I remember correctly, the difference between the cars is this board, but not actually the board, but location of this plug. I think in the Lexus IS it's on the side, which can also work. So here's what happened. This fan from a Lexus HS250, this is from HS. This part also from the HS. This part a little bit bigger, not really that big of a deal, but this part is also a little bit bigger. It doesn't fit into a hole. So you can grind a hole in the car or do it the way I did. So I basically got the fan out off this motor right here. Now I'm gonna get this one off and put everything. So this is what's left over from Lexus IS that I'm not going to use. This is back to, basically I just needed this motor right here. Lexus IS. This is the only part from Lexus IS. This from Lexus HS. It wasn't easy and you have to be very careful. I had to use a hammer and a punch like this and basically punch it through right here. It's a little rusty here and you have to soak it technically. Alright, now this goes back in here and then screws go in here. Oops. Difficult to do things like that with one hand. Then if this was a BLM something, I don't know what it is, basically like a fan relay. It goes in here. This is a fan, cooler. Make sure that these are where they're supposed to be, not bent to anything. This part right here. You know, it's funny, I seen this on a lot of Toyotas and Lexus, different models, even though this is not compatible, but this, the fan is not always compatible. Just like I showed you, this thing is a little bit bigger, but these things, well, this part number is the same on most of them. So you just have to look. All right, that's in, that's on, all together, whatever. Right here, goes right in. Oh, fit right in. Now screws. 3 screws like this, either flathead
or some kind of Torx. I don't remember which one is it. Okay. You either need to use the Torx ratchet or a very short flathead screwdriver like the one I have. Okay, this is for the lights. Alright, let's test it.
Okay. And it's working. Let's see. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow, it doesn't make any noise. When I first got the car, it was a little noisy. Quiet.
This is Jimmy from Mr.G Rapids in New York. Okay, we just tinted this car with a 20% carbon tint. This kind of film is gonna help you with glare at night time, and also the color is stable. You know, it's never gonna turn to purple, like all the time black. So, as you can see here, the vision of this kind of film is much better than regular tints. And also, it's gonna help you a lot with the sun, and the ER is about 52%. So that means it's gonna help you a lot with the sun rays. So the UV is about 99%, and I recommend you this. You need something for a good price, and you cannot go to ceramic because the ceramic price is starting about $500. With carbon tint, the price is going to be about $350 possibly. So this is a good choice. You want to make something good for a good price. I recommend you the carbon film. Thank you.